Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we'll show you how to make an iPhone automatically rotate a picture on the iPhone, so your photos always match the way you're holding your phone. Now let's get started. Step 1. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to open the Control Center. This is where you'll find quick settings, including the rotation lock. Step 2. Check the rotation lock icon. If it's red with a lock symbol, that means rotation is locked. Just tap it once to turn it off. Step 3. Once the icon is no longer highlighted, your iPhone's screen can rotate freely. This allows the camera to detect the right orientation when you take a photo. Step 4. When snapping a photo, hold your iPhone either vertically or horizontally. The camera will follow that direction to capture your photo as you see it. Step 5. Look at the zoom level numbers like 1x, or if those numbers rotate on the screen, it means the orientation has adjusted properly and the photo will be saved in that position. Method 2. Step 1. Open the Photos app if you've already taken a photo and want to rotate it manually. This is great for fixing any sideways or upside-down pictures. Step 2. Tap on the photo you want to rotate. Make sure it's fully loaded on your screen. Step 3. Tap the Edit button in the top right corner. This opens the photo editing tools. Step 4. Tap the Crop Rotate icon at the bottom of the screen. You'll see the rotation option right away. Step 5. Tap the Rotate button to turn the photo left. Keep tapping until it reaches the orientation you want. Step 6. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap Done to save the rotated photo to your gallery. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tips.